What's up, Team DMS? It's a Master Stylist, and I'm back with another video. Today I am just cooking breakfast, but as you guys know, I am vegan and my family is not. Troy is, I don't know what he is. Team DMS. So for breakfast, I'm having some Beyond Meat sausages, and I cook them some bacon. Is it real bacon or is it vegan bacon? Nah, it's real bacon. It's real bacon, y'all. I ain't gonna do them like that. Sean says that he wants to go vegan, and that's only because he had that cheesesteak. We went to that veg fest and some other stuff, but he doesn't understand that you can't live off of that stuff. That stuff is comfort food. So, you know, you eat it sometimes, but you gotta get your vegetables in. But we ain't having no vegetables this morning. So I'm gonna cook. This is so crazy, y'all. Like, cooking 2 meals. Oh my God, I just wish everybody get on board. But, you know, I know everybody have their own time. So I'm doing vegan cheese grits, because I'm not cooking 2 pots of grits today. That's what I'm not gonna do. They can put cheese on their grits if they want to, but to give the grits a cheese taste, I'm gonna use nutritional yeast. Are you? So I'm in here talking to y'all, and he gets on here, start filming his intro on YouTube. What the fuck? So anyway, y'all, like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, to give the grits a cheese taste, I'm going to put some nutritional yeast in here. If they want to, you know, add real cheese and additional cheese to their grits, fine with me. I like yellow corn grits. You see it's a little bit of the white grits still at the bottom, but for the most part, I use corn grits. And I actually been using these grits for years. Sometimes it's hard to find. So when I find it, it's like people go and buy them all up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. It's Sunday. I have some videos I need to edit. As I stated before, I'm gonna be doing more vlogging on my channel. If y'all rock with me, go ahead and like this video now or whatever. If you don't and you only here for the content, then I'm sorry, but here for the hair content only, then I'm sorry, but life is just different now. And I'm excited about sharing my vegan journey. So this is what we're doing. So we're gonna get started with these grits. So I have my water in here, and then I'm gonna put some Himalayan pink salt in the water. And then we're gonna wait for that water to get boiling. They have bacon. I'm gonna flip these over. So those are almost done. And I don't know why they tripping, honey, because this is good. It tastes like sausage. They're crazy. So while I'm waiting on my water to get to boiling, I'm gonna straighten up. Oh, I was drinking tea right now. Currently drinking some raspberry leaf tea. I do suffer from like extremely heavy periods, so it's another reason why I decided to give up the meat and the dairy. And this is supposed to help with that as well. Oh, this thing tastes like sausage. And I know it's just the seasonings, Oh, it's real good. Come. So I'm gonna get that started. I still want some coffee though. The tea just don't do it for me. I think I'm gonna drink this and then drink me some coffee. So, y'all, back to my coffee. I need my coffee. Now, one good thing, my husband did finally try the creamer. He said it wasn't that bad, but it wasn't that sweet. But he don't need all that sugar anyway. He loves sugar. And y'all can get these mugs on my site too, mainlifestudio.com. Oh, I think I might have put too much. Okay, so our water is at a nice rolling boil. I'm gonna let a little bit of it boil out because I think I put too much in there. Oh. So you acting funny today. Okay. Okay, so for my eggs, I'm using just eggs. I did find out they contain soy, but if you're already vegan, you probably know this already. But if you don't, let me tell you a secret. So this is called black salt, but it's pink. But it smells like egg and it has an egg flavor. So you add this to the just egg and it tastes just like eggs. I mean, it tastes pretty close to eggs. It's not eggs, so you can't expect it to be identical, but everything that I've had, it satisfies me. My family is just a-holes. So, yeah. So we got our grits boiling. I like my grits to cook for a long time so that they are just nice and creamy. I put some vegan butter in there. I'm also, excuse me y'all, I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk in there just to give it a little bit more creaminess. In a perfect non-vegan world, I would have put heavy whipping cream in there, but I can't, so I'm gonna make it do what it do. So I did put the nutritional yeast in there. This is way too watery for me, so we're gonna let these cook down a lot longer. I like my grits thick. And I know somebody that like watery grits. She hates thick grits. I'm like, how? So breakfast is almost done, but not quite. But while we wait, I got they little real eggs. Me and Troy gonna take our sea moss. This sea moss is from Mint Links. I will put a link in the description box. Boy, at least do a different angle, cuz. Auger over here.
She messy, y'all.
I don't want to be on your vlog looking mess. I can be on my vlog looking a mess. You want your wife looking like this on your vlog?
Shit, she's looking like on her own vlog.
See, you messing up my stuff.
Go, girl.
Before I was so rudely interrupted, we're going to take this sea moss. It's by Mint Links. I'm going to try to remember because I know I'll be telling y'all I'm going to link shit and don't link it because I'll be forgetting. So I'm going to try to remember. She recommends 2 or 3.
Man, give me the damn sea moss, man.
It's like gritty applesauce. I think I like it better in my smoothie.
Yeah.
This swallow it over. It does have like a Like you could almost taste that sea taste out, like right at the end. Took my tooth, bam. Cause I'm a gangster. So I'm gonna whip up their little eggs, child. And then I gotta turn around and cook my vegan eggs. Like, this too much. Tabitha, girl, I don't know how you did it. Man.
Gotta leave me alone, dog. What's up? Is leaking out of here?
No, I made a mess. Well, you see what?
Under the sink.
Where? Oh, damn.
You made that big of a mess?
Yeah, because what happened was I had a pot of water and I forgot that I was running it. But I didn't know that it wakes all
You won't never know shit.
I didn't know it did that. I was wondering where all the water went. I'm like, but where the water went?
You ain't even look for the water, huh?
I
You
didn't
just evaporated.
I looked down there. I didn't.
I swear, dog.
Ooh, that coffee got me sweating.
It'd be worse than the kids sometimes.
Oh.
Oh my ass. You gotta clean it up.
I don't want to.
Well, I gotta go, man. It's not gonna sit there like that.
Well, I gotta cook y'all food.
Well,
so
that's fine,
what
but
you
I'm
do.
not.
You
I'm
can
not.
do that.
I gotta go.
You
I'm
still
not.
gotta wait till the food get done.
Look, I'm not finna be down.
But you don't want to do it.
I'm clean right now. I ain't eating on that dirty ass.
When you come back.
So you gonna let the water sit there? And
I'm
just,
busy.
you gonna let me
It
go?
was there all this time. I didn't know it was there. It ain't gonna kill it for a little bit longer. I don't want to make a mistake and put the vegan stuff. I mean the non-vegan stuff. So I'm gonna take my just eggs, pour it in there, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of the black salt that I told y'all about. I guess I should be kind of showing y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all. Woo. Well, my husband takes all of my stands, so I don't know where any of my tripods are right now. Okay, just a dab of pink Himalayan salt, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper, and I'm gonna hit it back with my nutritional yeast, and this will give my eggs a cheese flavor. I'm just gonna stir that up. And these are my vegan cheese eggs. Oh, this ain't right. So this they little eggs, y'all. Plates around here. So this they little plate, y'all. Y'all see? I mean, at the end of the day, it ain't eggs. But it works for me.
That one tastes regular.
Huh?
That one tastes regular.
Troy,
What?
how was the vegan sausage?
It was alright.
What you didn't like about it?
I didn't say I don't like it. It's just a different taste.
You know it ain't sausage.
Yeah.
How do you know? It don't taste like it. How's your food, Aiden? I didn't give you none of the vegan sausage. You want some more grits? Y'all see how this house is, right? So, I don't know. I'm thinking about pasta, but I know Koya like pasta too. Oh, ain't no school tomorrow, is it?
No.
So this is my breakfast, y'all. My family get on my fucking nerves, but it is what it is. So I gotta wait till you come back to watch Power.
I'm gonna watch it while I'll watch it later. When I come back. You weren't even watching Power, right? But now you want to watch it. Now you want to watch it. All of a sudden, these last couple of years, but you.
Cause I like that one. I don't really care for the first one, but this is a spinoff.
Yeah. Alright, go.
It's good to me, y'all.
That's all that matters, love. As long as you like it, baby, that's all that matters, baby.
No, I want y'all to like it, so I ain't gotta be cooking 2 meals.
Well, you can't force that lifestyle on us overnight.
Sean, you don't even eat my regular food, so you don't have no comment, okay?
I don't eat your regular.
You don't. You only eat if I cook this kind of food, spaghetti, Alfredo pasta, or something with fried chicken. That's the only time you eat. Or tacos.
You know, Capri Suns in there.
You drunk them up.
No, I did.
Boy, you were tearing up the Capri
Maybe
Suns.
2 Capri Suns.
You had about 4
No,
on.
I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't have no phone. I had maybe 2.
So, yeah, y'all. I don't know. I guess I'll hit y'all back. What's up, y'all? I'm back. And I'm still looking a mess. I just got out of the shower. Smelling all good and shit, you know. Cooking my family some steaks. Because, you know. And I did some baked potatoes in the air fryer. And I'm going to put some broccoli and cheese and do like a little loaded baked potato. So I'm steaming some broccoli florets. So this for the meat eaters. This my meal, y'all. I forgot to cook my meat. So my food was good, y'all, but it's just not what I wanted because I didn't cook my chicken. But it was good. Nothing like a big fat steak.
Woo! Well, I'm on one zone. I'm ready to call it night-night.
So I may be looking like somebody the next time y'all see me because I know these last 2 vlogs I ain't gave a flying fuck. But if you rock with me, rock with me. If you haven't already, make sure y'all go hit that like button. And I'll see y'all again for the next video.